are you?
All right, good.
All right.
Here's our volume between me and you, right?
Right.
Volume from the outside world. Okay. Volume for comm 2.
Okay.
Everybody gets them mixed up. Pitch trim, so you warn your passengers there's going to be a loud beep from the autopilot doing its test. A loud beep gives us a satisfactory test.
Wait for that. All right, let's see. Make sure we're going to lean for taxi. Okay, everything is checked again. Let's see. Fuel is full. Reading amps are good, vacuum is good, pressure is good, and temperature is good. For taxi, avionics master is on. Flaps are retracted to 0. There's the beep. The autopilot flaps are for flight control.
Free
and correct.
Free and correct, good.
All right, we're gonna get the weather now. And a little notepad here. There we go.
Temperature 17 Celsius. Dew point 07 Celsius. Altimeter 299.6. Remarks. Density altitude 400. Thunderstorm information not available.
Turning left base, runway 28 Millville.
Millville Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1848 Zulu. Wind 270 at 05. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear.
All right. Altimeter 2996. That's about it. Right, we're in D. Winds are 270. Coming from 70457. Straight out of the west at 5. So you can use runway 28.
Skyhawk 80121, turning
Right.
final, runway 28 Millville.
That out. All right. Flight instruments. Good. We're gonna 3, 4. Out. Zoom to 20. There we go. Gotta adjust. All right. Transponder is on altitude. Auto trim or autopilot is off. We'll set that 2996. Trim is set for takeoff. GPS on. Entered 4 times. MFD. 20 GPS nav switch. Good, and we're going to test up there. No lights. All right, comm nav 12300 and 124.
Good, Atlantic City approach, right?
Yep.
If by some chance you drift away from the airport and need help getting back, give them a call. They'll give you a squawk code. They'll guide you back. All right?
All right, parking brake is released. Let's check. I don't know if he's going first.
No, he's... Nope. No, let him. We'll go in front of him. Let him go. Let him take his time.
All right, let me check. All right, I'll check my brakes.
Okay.
My brakes are good.
And so are mine. Good.
Okay.
take your time. Just do what you have to do. You don't like anything, do a go around.
Okay.
It's going to float a little bit more longer. You can stop right here. I'm going to get out here.
Okay.
You can. It floats a little bit longer without me in the airplane. Okay.
Okay.
So just expect it. You know to do a go around. Have fun.
Yep.
All right.
Thank you, sir. All right, let me set the parking right here.
With traffic, the code is going to cross 14. That's Ollie. Well.
Okay, landing light, strobe off. Every time. Okay. Thank you. Will do. Will you tell me when to come back in, or? 3? Okay. All right. Well, here goes nothing. Traffic Skyhawk, turn in base 28 Millville, full stop.
On the County, Cessna 92886.
Okay.
Trent Robbinsville.
We are in the white arc, 20 degrees of flaps.
Right now in for 329. Robbinsville.
All right, nobody on final. Go to left rudder. Make this one count. All right. Run a little trim. Go ahead and throw full flaps. Millville traffic, Skyhawk, final, 28, full stop, Millville.
Coming back in a little bit.
Low right rudder, wind's coming from left and right. Feel the power. And there you go. And touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Perfect. Outstanding. Give it a little brakes.
Millville Skyhawk, downwind 28, Millville.
Get off of Bravo. And then we'll let them while we're clear. Oh, that's a way to end it. Hi, Mom and Dad. I know you're freaking out, but did this one for you. Thank you for all the support from everybody, and more to come. Millville traffic, Skyhawk, clear 28, Millville. All right.
Yo, man, congratulations.
Thank you, Adam.
About 16 years ago, my cousin Chris came over to my house with a CD that had Flight Simulator 95 on it. I knew nothing about airplanes or flying. Frankly, I don't think I had an interest. But I figured, hey, it was a video game. I'm into that. I'll try it out. From that moment on, every second of the day that I had a chance, I would be on that simulator. Now you fast forward 16 years later, and here I am talking to you about my first solo flight in a Cessna Skyhawk 172. Flying in an airplane was always a dream to me. I never thought I would be able to take the time or have the money to complete flight training, let alone find a place that I can do it. I would always talk about it and talk about it and talk about it. And I would always get the, one day you'll do it, but I never thought I had the drive. Until that one day that I picked up the phone and called Big Sky Aviation in Millville, New Jersey. And I scheduled a discovery flight with Dennis, my current instructor. The second that I turned that engine on and took off, the joy that ran through me was inexplicable. I knew that I would be doing this for the rest of my life. Week in and week out, where I had my flight instruction, I would learn so much, I would make new friends, and I would just look forward to it so much because it just clears your head of everything, every problem, anything. You just forget about everything and you just fly. I want to thank my mom and dad. I know that they're so nervous about me flying, more my mom, obviously. But I can reassure you that I'm in good hands. And one day when we fly together, you will understand the joys that I feel. So I want to say to everyone that has helped me along the road so far, thank you.